The Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there was a mighty lion who was loved and respected by all the animals. The lion lived in a big cave, and its roar echoed through the forest, making everyone afraid. One day, after enjoying a big meal, the lion lay down to rest under a large tree. The gentle sunlight filtered through the leaves, creating a peaceful space. The lion breathed steadily, falling into a deep sleep. Nearby, a tiny mouse was playing and running around in the grass. While it was busy hopping around, the mouse accidentally ran onto the lion's back without noticing. Suddenly the lion woke up. It felt something small moving on its back. The lion turned around and used its big claws to grab the mouse. The lion roared, "You're so brave! You disturbed my sleep. I'm going to eat you now." The mouse shook in fear and said, "Please spare my life. I'm just a tiny mouse. I didn't mean to bother you. If you let me go, I promise I'll help you one day." The lion laughed loudly. "You, a little mouse, think you can help me? That's funny." But seeing the poor mouse, the lion felt a little sorry. It decided to let the mouse go and said, "Go on and be more careful next time." The mouse quickly bowed and thanked. "Thank you. I'll never forget your kindness." A few days later, while hunting, the lion accidentally stepped into a trap set by hunters. A large net fell down and trapped the lion. Despite trying to break free, the more it struggled, the tighter the ropes became. The lion roared in desperation, and its roar echoed across the forest. The little mouse, who was nearby searching for food, heard the familiar roar. It quickly ran over and saw the lion trapped in the net. The mouse said, "Don't worry, I'll help you." The lion looked at the little mouse, a bit surprised, but with no other choice. It said, "Do you really think you can help me?" The mouse nodded confidently. It quickly used its sharp teeth to bite through the ropes. One by one, the ropes broke, and after a while, the mouse had freed the lion from the net. The lion was amazed and touched. "You saved me. A little mouse did what I never expected. I was wrong to underestimate you." The mouse smiled and said, "You spared my life, and today I'm just returning the favor." From then on, the lion and the mouse became great friends. The lion no longer acted arrogantly and learned that even the smallest creatures have their own value and strength. And that's all for this story. This story reminds us that kindness is always rewarded, and we should never look down on anyone, no matter how small or weak they seem. Thanks for your listening. Have a nice day.